If you think getting some free money to help support in raising your child or children is a good idea, then this video is for you. I'm making this video to support parents because I understand that the economic situation is not so easy, especially for parents with more than 1 or 2 children. But if you are single, stay right in and watch because you will still get value from this video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Idera Solomon, and on this channel, I give you tips to make your parenting journey easy and also childcare. If you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first website I'll be showing you here is Fundly. Fundly.com. On Fundly, you just have to tell your story and others will connect with you. Those who are the kind people on the platform who are ready to, to give out money would share with you. You can see a little care can change the world. Start a fundraiser. It is for individuals and for charity, which means that if you need money as a parent, as a family, or as even a single person, you could just start raising your fund here. Start a campaign and raise your fund. See trending campaigns, others who already started. These are trending campaigns. Fundly helping, club and community creative projects, disaster relief, fun for kids and family. Parents, this is for you here, kids and family. Then for others who are not parents yet, will eventually be parents, see fun and special, just go through it. These are the things you can get money from. All you need to do is to start your campaign by clicking start a fundraiser. And if you are an individual, you could just click start for free with Facebook. And if you know you're a non-profit, you could click start your campaign. That's if you have an NGO, you could click start a campaign. The second on my list is Fund My Travel. You can see Fund My Travel. Why I decide to include this is because I know that most parents are staying in a faraway place where they work in a faraway place from their children and they don't get to see their children. So if you are a parent and you want to spend more time with your children, your family, your wife or your family, and you have the time, at least a short period of time during the weekend to always travel, you could come to this website, make use of it and fund your travel. All you need to do is to check out how it works, go through the website, see how it works, start fundraising, just read through, then click start fundraising. Next on my list here, number 3 is begging money. Number 4 is begging money. beggingmoney.com. There are a lot of categories here. If you go through it, you realize that there are a lot of categories on begging money. There are a lot of categories on begging money for whatever you need money, whether you are a single mom or you are a single dad, or you are a parent, or you are a professional, you are a single, whatever, what have you, you can come over here, get money for your medical bills, to pay tuition fee for your children, for shelter and everything. Just like every other site, you need to just go through it and start your campaign. See, ask for help today. This service is anonymous. You decide how much information to share. You get. So this is for begging money. Number 5 is Gofundme. The name of the platform is Gofundme. So Gofundme.com. All you need to do, see successful fundraisers start here. Start a GoFunding. It can be for your cause, for education, for medical bill, for emergency, business, animals, what have you, whatever it is you need. Just come to GoFunding, and the next thing you do is you start a GoFundMe. Yes. For the purpose of our time, I don't want to keep clicking on each of them. If you already have an account, which I believe you don't, but if you do, you sign in, and if you don't, you see you can select your country here. You can select your country here, go to the alphabetical order, select your country here, and let's assume you are from Netherlands. Select your country, your postcode, and you go on with the next step. That's for GoFundMe. So the last on my list is Wefunder. There are so many more, but for the purpose of this video, so you don't just have a lot without trying it out, or finding yourself in a situation where like, which one should I try, which one should I try. I limited it to just 6. So try out these ones and let me know how it goes. So this is wefunder.com. If you have a business as a parent or as a single person, if you have a business, you can get money here. It's mostly for building your business, for startup. Get equity and front row seats to the startup and small business you love for as little as $100. Do you see? It's mostly for startups, for people that have businesses. But as a parent, if you have a business and you can get more funds to push into that business, it simply means that your business stands a chance of doing well, and you get more profits to meet your family needs, to meet your children needs, to raise your children easily. That is why this platform is one of the platform I listed. So check it out and let me know. Try it and let's see how far this would help you. If you stayed with me to this point, I hope you got value from this video. I hope you'll be trying some of these websites, and I hope you would get the funds you require to make life easier for you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until I see you in my next video. Bye for now.